Burlap is good smoker fuel. It smolders, but it doesn't have a lot of resins in it that gum up your smoker so you can't get the lid off. Okay, let's go to the Beehive. You never know what you might find when you open up the Beehive. There's always something new and interesting. Cool looking thing. What does it look like? A brain? It's a bee brain. It's the brain inside the hive. I think we've made a new discovery. We found the CPU of the Beehive. It's the bee brain. I think all the important decisions that the bees have to make every day are happening right here. The decision whether or not to go to work today, depending on the weather, who will gather nectar, who will gather pollen, who wants water gathering duty today, who's going to attend to the queen. This is it. This is where it all happens. What it really is I put some crystallized honey that had wax in it in there for the bees to clean it up. It was in my screen or my strainer when we extract honey. It comes out of the extractor and filters it. So this is what was left. And they cleaned out all the honey out of the middle of it and left the wax and started to build on it right where it was. So we're going to cut it out of here. We've got to remove it. Otherwise they'll keep building out here and it'll be a mess. So we need to remove it. We're doing brain surgery here in the Beehive today. But I thought it was interesting enough we might keep it. We're going to cut it out in one piece.
Try to at least. I wonder if there's honey in it.
I think they cleaned all the honey out and they just left the wax. And the wax was too big of a piece to remove, so they just fastened it down in place. Maybe they're planning on putting honey in it later. We're going to make a Christmas tree ornament out of it.
I think it's a little bit too big for that.
Well, not if you have a really big Christmas tree. Maybe it's too small. Careful now, I don't want to destroy any of the bees' hard work on this. Those bees are good little artists, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Need a little more smoke in there. Move those worker bees out of there so I don't cut them while I'm cutting the comb.
Hooray!
Okay, we got it loose, mostly.
Mostly. We
All
left
right.
a little bit behind.
Here's what we're going to do. We're going to put it on this board right here, okay? And then the bees, we'll put it back in the hive for a little while, and the bees will fasten this back down. They'll put it all back together.
We hope.
We hope.
Watch out, little bees.
All right, that piece went right there. That piece goes there.
Let's put it back in the hive.